Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Anker pocket size 3-in-1 charger. They also call it the 15-watt foldable. So that's why everything folds up. Here's everything when you bring it out of the box, it's all folded up. We do have a USB-C to USB-C cable and a wall charger. So let's take a look at it. You're going to put the USB-C cable right there. We can charge our AirPods. We can charge our MagSafe iPhone right here. And then you're going to flip the Apple Watch charger out. So I like that this USB-C cable is 90 degree, so it makes it look nice and elegant. Then we can also put this right in here and plug this into the wall outlet. Now the wall charger you can plug into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 2.66 amps, or 20 volts 2 amps. But it will only charge the iPhone at 15 watts max, Apple Watch is 5 watts, and your AirPods is 5 watts. Total output is 25 watts. Okay, let's take a look. The wall charger sticks out about 2 inches, and it's about 1.5 inches that way. And you're simply going to plug it into a wall outlet. Now there are like these little rubber feet on the bottom. And you're simply going to take, this is my Apple Watch Ultra, and it kind of magnetically sticks to it. Take your AirPods, place it right there. The red light is on. Now take your iPhone, and we can turn it sideways, and it'll put the calendar on. That's really cool. This makes a great nightstand charger. But you can also put it on like that. So with it on like that, it's about 6 inches to the top. With the iPhone on, it's about 6 inches, you know, left to right, depending on the iPhone, but that's about 2¼ inches like that. But again, the neat feature is you can take all this off. This is great for travel. Wow, look at that. Folds up so nice. 3½ inches, 2¼ inches, about 1 inch thick. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so I like that so that it will stay put. I don't have to always flip out the Apple charger. I can always just put my AirPods on there and or I can just use it for the my iPhone. Now the USB-C cable is very well constructed, and it is 5 feet long. It's nice and flexible, but I feel like it's made very well. This is just a really, really nice iPhone charger. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.